As Ripple has gone into a $44 eco-focused partnership with Lincoln, Nebraska-headquartered financial services provider Nelnet, the blockchain-based payment company, is looking to offset the carbon emission rate of the crypto industry. And as the argument for mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from clean energy and waste energy streams continues to grow stronger, Ripple and Nelnet are pulling resources to fast-track the crypto industry's march towards renewable energy. As such, the price of XRP is expected to skyrocket to price ranges many believe would be near the $30 mark by the end of the year. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
By the end of the year, the current bet on XRP's price pump is placed between the $10, $20, and $30 range. However, based on popular demand, the $20 to $30 range seems to make more sense. We've got the Kraken exchange coming up with a report indicating that Bitcoin could hit $100,000 maybe by the end of the year. Who knows? We know that as long as Bitcoin leads the way, other coins such as XRP are bound to follow suit. Thus, for whatever influx of money enters into the most significant cryptocurrency, a portion of those would most certainly splinter off into XRP. Before we go into all of that, let's take a look at some of the pages from the documentation. If we take a look specifically on Bitcoin, we should see that Bitcoin has broken a 2-month winning streak over the past month. A trend that was confirmed right after Bitcoin after closing at 7% of its worst monthly performance since May. More so, the bulk of Bitcoin's move further down the chart were derived from September, given the seasonality, the market, the leveraging, and China cracking down further on crypto. However, following the month's return, the entire market saw a quick reset, setting an almost 4-month high to reside at the $53,000 mark on Thursday, September 7th. Historically, this is not surprising, as we're always down in September. September has been labeled as a down month in this industry. 7 of the last 9 Septembers have been down for Bitcoin, so I'm not psyched at all, as these things are cyclical. The widespread deleveraging that swept through the crypto market during the first week of September brought with it yearly volatility to a 2-month high of 78%, right before it took a slightly modest approach, threading at lower margins to end the month at a 4% decrease from the price at the start of the month, closing at 74%. Though spiking modestly, this annualized volatility event is yet to climb back above the 100% ceiling to register above the $60,000 mark. And this is more than just speculation, as we've seen this reading twice this year, in what many analysts thought to entail a sudden price movement towards newer all-time highs. At the time, amid the modest upsurge, the trading volumes rose to well over 12% month over month. However, we're yet to see that significant spike upward that would take us to 60, maybe 63,000 as seen in the chart. Speaking of cyclical trends and reversals, we have XRP pausing for a moment there to rest at the minor resistance between $1.20 to $1.21. At the same time, testing solid support between $1.08 to $1.09. Just the longs need the stops right below the $1.30 mark. A break below that point, we're most likely to hit between 97 to 96 cents as our next target. The longs around the dollar mark conveniently target the minor resistance level at $1.20. Therefore, a break for the bounce at about $1.22 beyond that high from earlier this week targets the $1.30. And above that, the next target we ought to be on the lookout for is the $1. Running a critical analysis on the XRP chart based on signals from precisely 26 technical indicators, 15 are moving averages while the remainder are oscillators. Even though these indicator values are calculated using 4-hour candles, looking at these markets from a 24-hour perspective, we could see the price moving from the middle to the lower Bollinger Bands, which is a direct indication that the prices have rejected the middle Bollinger Band, a 20-day simple moving average, as its support line. And over the last 24 hours, the trading volume has been conveniently moderated. As such, XRP's price is expected to move in a consolidated manner with a slight inclination for bullish momentum. The price is likely to oscillate between the middle and the lower Bollinger Band. Regarding price volatility, XRP is seen to have a shallow range at 3.22%, along with a daily range between $1.07 and $1.11. At the time of recording this video, XRP was trading at $1.11 with a market capitalization of $51.58 billion. However, drawing our conclusion from the indicator summary we gathered, we could confidently assert that XRP is in a somewhat neutral market. Of the 11 oscillator indicators employed in this technical analysis, 2 portray a sell signal, 7 points to the neutral, and 2 give a buy signal. Out of 15 moving average indicators, 7 indicate a sell signal, 1 hint of a neutral market. At the same time, the other 7 provided us with a buy signal. Afterward, the trading volume registered a bit of a spike over the last 24 hours. Hence, if we don't see an abrupt surge in volume to the upside, rest assured that the above analysis would be valid. The idea of a $20, $30 price for XRP is not so much of a surprise for those of us who've been around in these markets for quite some time now. This price prediction has been expected of XRP by popular crypto analysts like Credible Crypto for at least more than a year now. Following an impressive 402.63% swing to the upside, on a year-to-date scale, XRP registered a 52-week low of 17 cents, a less than 2% change over the last 24 hours, and an all-time high of $3.40. These metrics have gotten expert analysts to predict that a drop in the crypto market by about 20 to 30% will have a much smaller impact on cryptos like XRP. On the shorter time frame, XRP is also making some higher highs as the prices of altcoins enter into a correctional move. The $5 to $0.10 is a significant support area, presenting a potential retest zone for this coin. Yet we could still see actual prices jump away from this point. However, the ideal case would be to have a pullback towards retracement. As a tip, feel free to use those buy limit orders between these zones for a swing move. The correction we saw on XRP was perfectly normal, as is expected. In the same light, the relative strength index hints at a bullish narrative. Hence, I advise you to pay attention to it. Guys, selling off your XRP at this point is like selling Bitcoin when it was trading at less than $200 before it skyrocketed to $20,000 in a matter of a few weeks. Even though this analyst and a host of others have set many bullish targets for XRP, such as $10, $20, or $30 for the end of the year, the bulk of the expectation is that the market is going to pass through various ups and downs, as the 1,000% profit potential for XRP is expected to be met in the long term. But before that happens, Credible Crypto has predicted a drop of up to 30% in the market. So at this point, we already know the right idea for the pullback region. Maybe we don't know this yet, but most of these other cryptos will dump hard, leaving XRP on support, making it less affected than the rest of these other altcoins. Pertinent to note is that a drop in the prices of significant cryptocurrencies by such a margin would provide a perfect buy opportunity for newer investors. As such, it's best to buy more into the dip and wait for XRP, as it looks to be that the floor on this coin is already in. Should we get a retest to the 30 cents margin, be ready to take it all in, and take it slim. Therefore, if we somehow get to retest those lower low regions again, make sure you buy in with all you've got. What do you think about XRP's price potential in the coming years? Do you see a $10 XRP by the end of 2021, a $20 XRP, or a $30 XRP by the end of 2025? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And see you next time.
Hollywood Carson.